lot to go through. Plus, I have a ton of samplers in this little bin. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be organizing some leftovers. It has been a minute since we have done that. Also, just excuse my voice. I'm recovering from strep. We're on the other side of it, but still, we got a little scratchiness happening in the voice now. Okay, so anyway, we've got stickers going back almost a year. Like, I found some here at the bottom from like Valentine's Day. And even like winter stickers. And we're going to be organizing them all into this book. This is my leftovers book. This is from Once More with Love, I believe. And I've had this for quite a while. And it's just the one that I use. You can get one from pretty much any shop. I love the ones from Sadie's Stickers. But this is the one that I have. And we're just going to add to it. So there's lots of stuff happening in here. And I want to be able to use my leftovers more efficiently. So I've got everything organized. Let's just get in here. I have a little light splinter action card at the front. We need to put those in their place. They just kind of are hanging out there. These are just random deco. We've got some Crafted Banana. They're like overflowing onto this page as well. We've got Once More with Love, Fox and Cactus, Bubba Bear, Coffee Monsters Co. Lots of those. Fox and Pip. And then we've got colored icons, which I want to be able to use more, especially on my monthlies. So I'm going to be using my 2024 makselife, the like actual flagship planner next year. And I want to be able to use like little icons like these in my monthly spreads. So I really want to utilize and just kind of combine into one book next year besides my teacher planner. And so I really want to build up these little sections. So I have all the colors in here. So black and neutral is the last one. Then we go into random scripts and then habit trackers, which I don't really use anymore. And I'm probably not going to collect any of those. I might look for some flag trackers. I don't know if there's any in any of the kits that I got. These people don't really use anymore, but I love them. And I really need them sometimes. So I will look out for them. I don't know if any of these kits that I used in the past 9 months 10 months have any of these, but I really want some. And then checklists, I'm not really looking for those. Movie marquees, I always love those as well. And then back here we've got quarter boxes, and then we've got half and third boxes. So that's how I've got my little book organized. It works well for me, this little system. So we're going to still continue to use it. So if you've never seen one of these videos, I will leave the playlist down below. People like these for some reason, and I get it. Like, it's a little bit relaxing and comforting. And so the way that I do my leftovers videos is that we're going to go through this stack first of like all my leftover kits. By the way, I give all of my leftovers to my sister so that she can go through them and use them as she sees fit. So nothing is really going to waste. And then we'll go through all of my shop samplers and all of this like random stuff in here that I've been just throwing in for some reason. We're trying to get organized today. So I am going to go ahead and get started, and I will just play some light music and you can just see my process and I can just focus on this one task. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our first pile finished. I am pretty ruthless. I forgot to say that up at the top. Pretty ruthless because I want to make sure that I actually use things. And like, I've had this collection of stuff for, I mean, in this specific book for probably 2 or 3 years now. So I try to be really, really like cutthroat. And then all this stuff is going to go to my sister, and I know that she will find a whole bunch of stuff in here that she can use. And I try to leave stuff for her that I know that she can use. Okay, other things. I've got these that I pulled out. I've got a little bit of silver foil. We're just going to put right back into my collection. And these custom names, I don't know how I got these, how these got in here into my leftovers. I think that was by accident. So I'm going to put these in, I think I'll just put them in my main book. And then we've got numbers, like random numbers that I can definitely use. And I'll put these in my functional book right in there. I use those all the time from Lemon and Honey Studio. Okay, now we need to tackle this little hodgepodge of stuff. There are, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Let's just pull it out. So I've got some stuff that I ordered, like little misfit stuff that I want to use the deco for. I've got some stuff from a subscription. I've got foiled stuff. I've got die cuts. Like, a lot of this could go to my sister for sure. But, like, these are so cute. I want to, like, disassemble a lot of this. Okay, so lots of little stickers and die cuts. So much stuff in here. Okay. Woo. We've got a journaling card. Another journaling card. What? How did that get in there? Okay. Oh, my Go Wild Live Love Posh washi cutter. We're going to keep that for sure. Okay, and then we just have a random crap. Okay, so my goal here is to keep what I need or want and put everything else to the side to give to my sister, because this is a lot of stuff, and obviously I haven't touched it in a year, like some of it. So we need to either use it or get rid of it. So let's keep going. Okay, we got a lot of character stickers, that's for sure, but I love them all. They're so cute. I pulled a couple of things that I want to keep. I kept some Go Wild stuff that I put in here. which is fine because those are like collector items. But then I have these like cute foiled birthday things that I want to keep, and then this silver sampler from Caress Press, and then this hollow one that I thought was kind of cool for Halloween. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I just feel like this would be really useful, so I'm going to keep this as well. And then this, I don't think I meant to put that in there either. I got this last year. Cute little winter outfits. And this was mainly for like my journaling planner, but since we have switched to a full vertical, I think I could still use some of these. They're really adorable. I totally broke the glasses though. Okay, so I'm going to put those away real quick. We're giving quite a bit away, which is great because I definitely need to clean everything up, including my office, which is an absolute disaster. Okay, so let's go through the changes and see what I even got out of this, because I really was looking for icons. I didn't find a ton except for some neutrals, which is great, but I will keep an eye out for those. Okay, so we got some more random deco. Really love this hat and the globe and the balloons are really cute. I didn't add a lot in there, but we did add a bunch of Crafty Banana and Fox and Pip deco here. These are so cute. I love them so much. Lots of Bubba Bear, which is great. I didn't find too much What's More with Love stuff, but I made a big order a few weeks ago, so we're fine on What's More with Love. And quite a few Coffee Monsters Co., which is great. No Fox and Pip, because I haven't made an order in quite a while. I need to. So I found a few pink things. No orange. Or yellow, I don't think. A couple teal. A few green. I don't think I added any blue, but lots of neutrals. And then I got quite a few, where are they? A couple movie marquees, and then in here I got quite a few things. So I feel good about boxes. I'm going to mainly use these for the monthly spreads, and I want to be able to color coordinate. So I tried to find some like interesting colors to pull, and I feel like I have enough here to work with for sure. Okay, so I'll see you in a few months when we do another leftovers, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. I do plan with me's, goal videos, random stuff as well. Stick around if you want to, and I'll see you next time. Bye!